Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create some simple thank you cards, and these thank you cards can be used for any little occasion where you need to express a thank you. So starting off, I am going to go to create a design, and next I'm clicking on custom dimensions. For these cards that I'm going to create today, guys, I am going to select a width of 3.5 by a height of, let me change this to inches and redo that part. So that's 3.5 inches by 4 inches. And then I'm clicking on create new design. So starting off, I am making changing the background color, and I am going to change it to black. So I'm going to make 4 cards, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this page 4 times or 3 more times so I can have 4 pages. Okay, so now that I have that, I am returning to the first page and I'm going to start adding the design. So I'm going to head over to elements and I'm going to type in bird clip art and see what comes up. Okay, so all these things are coming up that I don't want to work with right now, so let me just keep bird and see what's popping up. I'm going to select this one and drag it and position it where I need it to be. Next, I'm typing in heart. Basically, guys, at this time I am combining different elements to create a cute little card. Let me work with this one. Alright, so that's done. Let me go ahead now and type in flowers. Alright, so let me add some text in here now. I am going to duplicate these 2 elements that I have here, guys, and then rearrange them on the card. Next, I'm just going to change the font style. I want a font that has a calligraphy style to it, so I'm going to type that in and see what comes up. So there are several options here, guys. So I'm just going to select one that I want to work with. Okay, this one looks nice. So depend on you guys, you can choose whatever font style fits the theme that you are working with. Okay, so this is the first card. Moving on to the second one now, I am going to include these flowers. So I'm just going to drag and enlarge them. Alright, let me add some text. So on to the next one, I am going to include this little ring of flower. This one is on the pro version of Canva, guys, so you would only be able to access it if you have the pro version of Canva. As you saw, there are some others here under magic recommendations. So if you click on see all, then you have a lot of different options that you can go through and, you know, select from. So in this one now, I'm going to add text to this. So as you see, guys, all of these are found in elements, so you just need to come to this section here in Canva and you'll have a lot to play around with to create your own card. Okay, so this is what we have working with so far. Let's move on to the last one. So for the last one, guys, let me see what I want to work with. I think I'll just add in a lot of flowers on this last one. Okay, so this is what I have. It's similar to the one before, but different. All right, so now let me add in the word. The similarity is the fact that, you know, it's somewhat of a border. It will be a border around the words. That's the similarity. Okay, so let me add in the words now. Okay, so this is it, guys. Let me put them on one page so you can see what they're looking like. Okay, let me come out of this. So this is all 4 of them, guys. Very simple. I mean, you could get even way more creative than this, playing around with the icons here in Canva. And of course, depending on which version of Canva you're using, the free or the paid version, you just ensure that you are selecting those elements based on the version that you're using. So that's it for today, guys. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section and I'll respond to you. Until my next video, goodbye.